Hey, it's Tony here at Smart Toyota. Here's our first 2020 Toyota Tundra. We've got 4 in now, just hit the ground. This is a 1794 edition, which is the luxury edition. It is built on the 1794 ranch in Texas, right here in the United States. And this is more of a luxury version versus the TRD Pro, which is really your off-road version. But don't be fooled, the suspension is awesome on this vehicle, rides nice, but it's set up with the Class 3 trailer towing hitch and that 5.7 V8 engine, so this thing will pull a house, no problem. There's your rear backup camera. You can see we have the rail system on the back here and the protection on the lip molding for your bed. This is bright white in color. It is 4-wheel drive. We're going to get a ton more of these. One of the things that really stands out for the 1794 edition is the interior with that saddle combination leather suede interior. So you've got leather in the center and then suede on the outer. Super nice, super plush. See in the back seat it's got a fold-down armrest. These are huge 4-door trucks. They will seat 5 adults comfortably. Not maybe, not possibly, but they will. Great luxury features like memory power seats. Here's your switches for your lighting, your mirrors. Your rear window is power. Check out the steering wheel on this one. Combination leather and wood treatment. Bluetooth connectivity, of course, for your smartphone. Go ahead and jump up in here. Now this has the all-new 8-inch touchscreen, and it also has your navigation system. Huge screen with a backup camera built right into the screen. Automatic temperature controls. Heated and cooled seats up front. There's all your power ports. Your traction control. You've got a braking system right here, and of course push button start. This thing has all kinds of luxury, and the amenities are just fantastic. The only option this one has on it is this power sliding moonroof. It's an $895 option. Otherwise, everything you see here is standard on the 1794 edition. They haven't changed a whole lot on the exterior, but we do have LED headlights and fog lights up front. And the 1794 has a big chrome grille versus the SR5 editions that have the black finish. So we've got 4 in stock right now, a couple TRD Sports, a couple SR5s. We've got this 1794. Stop by and take one for a spin. You will not be disappointed. This truck has the highest resale value amongst all full-size pickups. So this is a great vehicle right here at Smart Motors Toyota. Great value, great resale value. This is Tony at Smart Toyota. Thanks for watching.